Alright guys, so I love making shakes. So what I've been finding out is that when you just directly put frozen fruit into the Blendjet, like the Blendjet be fucking up. Like it'd be really fucking up. So I'm trying a new method right now where you put it in the microwave in short bursts of 30 seconds. And I did that for up to a minute. And I'm gonna put it in the Blendjet, and then I have ice. I'm putting that on top so that this Blendjet will be fucking up as I'm trying to blend the shake and trying to drink. So here we go. Let's see if this works out. So it's already pretty much defrosted, so this should be seamless. So just want to see how this works. And this is like a McDonald's smoothie. It's gonna be mango pineapple, so like no crazy combinations, like no weird combinations. Tried to make a strawberry pineapple shake yesterday. That was disgusting. So you know what? Hopefully this comes out good. No, it will come out good. Not hopefully. So put this in here. Pop, pop. All right. All this fruit. Yeah. Put the ice in there. All right. And put this lean body strawberry in there. Put this up right quick. Fill this up. Let's go to the top now. So let's see how this runs. Let's see if Blendjet gotta come through today and not mess up. See, Blendjet, please come through, please. I'm trying to get this smoothie. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's coming in. Through. I think you do it well. When you do it well, it start coming through like that, so I defrosted my fruit first. And a couple more pressures. See, it's really blending, Gotta defrost that fruit. Yup. I'll take a couple more pushes of the button, but yup. It should be almost done, to be honest. A couple more button press. It's gonna be done. Yup. Now I'll probably just do one more. Alright, shake complete, guys. This is my journey making a mango pineapple smoothie. Finished result, you've seen it. I defrosted my fruit in short bursts of 30 seconds, up to a minute 30, and put some ice in there. The shake is made. The smoothie's made. Let's go.